What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to get a skateboard in Shadow 1. So what you need to do is move over to the Highland range and Dance hardware store. And if you go a little bit left, then you will find the Shred Shack store. This is the skateboard store and you can buy skateboards between 6 AM and 6 PM. So you have to wait till 6 AM till the stores open. So once the store has opened, you can talk to Jeff. Talk to Jeff and you can buy a skateboard at his store. My preferred skateboard is the Golden Skateboard. This is one of the best and fastest skateboards in the game. So then select the Golden Skateboard, you can buy it and then make the deal and you have successfully bought a skateboard. Now to use it, press 2 on your keyboard and if you click the left one, you will use the skateboard and you can move like normally when you are walking through the map. If you hold shift, you even can go faster, and if you hold your spacebar, then you can jump also in game. And this is how you use and buy a skateboard in Shadow 1. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!